Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Royal Blood on guitar, or rather, how to make your bass sound like a full rock band. Royal Blood's Mike Kerr masterfully uses a bass guitar to create both deep bass lines and soaring guitar riffs. This distinctive sound is achieved by splitting the bass signal into two or more separate paths, each processed with different effects and sent to dedicated amplifiers. This innovative approach allows for a huge, multi-layered sound. The journey to the Royal Blood sound begins with your instrument. Many players find a short-scale bass, typically under 31 inches, offers easier playability for guitar-like techniques. Next, a crucial step is splitting your signal. A line selector pedal, like a Boss LS2, allows you to send your bass signal down two separate paths. One path will maintain your clean, fundamental bass tone, heading directly to a bass amplifier. Now, let's build that powerful guitar sound. The second signal path from your line selector is where the magic happens. Introduce an octave pedal, like an Electro-Harmonix POG, to pitch your bass signal up by 1 or even 2 octaves. This immediately transforms your bass into a guitar-like range. Following this, a thick fuzz or distortion pedal, such as a big muff, will add the aggressive, crunchy texture characteristic of their sound. To complete your Royal Blood setup, send that octave fuzz signal to a dedicated guitar amplifier. This allows the guitar-like frequencies to truly shine. The key is then to carefully blend your clean bass signal with the distorted guitar signal, achieving a powerful, cohesive sound. Experiment with the volume levels of each path to find your perfect balance. Finally, a noise gate can be very helpful to keep your high-gain tones tight and quiet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.